Can you remember those days where you didn't have to think about who was Illuminati and who was sacrificing goats and drinking babies' blood? You could just listen to music. Can you remember those days? Can you remember them? With my stunner zone and brand as we turn it so fast. Use that stunner zone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a natural hair video. When's the last time I did one? I can't remember. And I'm going to do the Bentonite clay mask on my hair. This is actually going to be like the 4th time I'm doing this. So yeah, and I kind of like it. It's sad, but it kind of it kind of makes me feel like I'm getting a relaxer because I need to part my hair and then put the thing on it. Yeah, sad times. But you know my whole conspiracy with how brands just pick up the raw materials and then put their stamp on it. This is a prime example. Oh, the first one I saw this from was Cutiepie 101-566. Yes, check out her channel. So this, yeah, everyone is basically using this Aztec calcium bentonite clay, and I'm like, is it really the Aztec that's making it work well? Because I even saw one video by Fusion of Cultures and she didn't use that one, and I also saw this other lady called Black is Beautiful and she didn't use any sort of branded one. So I'm like, it can't be just the Aztec one that works. What is the raw materials in this thing? And the raw material is basically calcium bentonite clay. That's what I put into Amazon, and I found this one by Fuller's Earth, and it basically just cleanses your scalp. It's basically, instead of using a shampoo, it basically cleanses your scalp but still leaves it pretty soft. And actually, for us like 4 type textures, you can actually see your hair pattern. You can really see, like, you see when I put it in, you see, because right now, okay, look at my hair now. That's just, there's no definition of any sort. It's just 4C lifestyle, you know. But once I put this in, you're gonna see a more defined version of my hair pattern. I don't know how else to say it, but anyway, what you're gonna need is obviously the calcium bentonite clay. You're gonna need a bowl and something to mix it with. I can't find anything. You're not supposed to use anything metal, so plastic or anything else, but you can't use metal. I think it's got something to do with the clay and how it reacts to metal, so don't use anything metal. So this is my plastic bowl, my little plastic stirring thing, and I'm also going to use gloves just because I just have so many gloves. And obviously you're going to need some water. Some people also use apple cider vinegar, but I really haven't had the time to even go to Tesco and try and see if they have it. I'm sure they'll have it, but I haven't had time to go to check if they have that, so I will not be using it. I'll just be using water, and I've been using water for my last 3 ones that I've done, and they've worked out fine. So the first one I did it on wet hair, and it did not dry completely. I left it on for like an hour. Second one I did it on like damp hair. That still did not dry. The last one I did it on dry hair, and still didn't dry after like an hour. So I don't think it's meant to completely dry hard, but it will dry some. There is no specific measurements. I'm just gonna like eyeball this, and yeah, just take it from there. I'm gonna put in the powder first. It has no like smell, so that's how it looks like. So this is the end product. This is how it's gonna look like. It's basically like you're making your relaxer motion.
Okay, I'm gonna leave this for about 30 minutes and then come back and show you how it looks like. See you in 30 minutes, guys.
See how defined it looks? Yeah, that's what it does to it. Compared to before. Alright everyone, so this is me after I have washed it out. I've washed out all the clay. My hair feels really soft. It's obviously shrunken quite a bit, but it feels soft and my scalp just feels really clean without feeling kind of stripped. So this is how it looks up close and personally, dramatically, and this is it. So yeah, definitely give it a try. And also try it with apple cider vinegar. I've never tried it with apple cider vinegar, so maybe that might give different results. But yeah. And thanks to Cutiepie11566 for introducing me to Bentonite clay. This is it. I'm just gonna do the lock method and put it into cornrows, and then I'm gonna relax. So definitely try it out and see how you feel about it. Bye. Cause I always got my style on. Hey, so as we walk in, watch your chick, cause you know your chick is gonna watch me. Bet she gonna like what she sees. Cause I always got my style on.
Yeah! It's about time to introduce ourselves to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, it's rough and smooth.